In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide filters in Notion. Let's jump straight in. First, make sure you have your Notion page open with the database you want to work on. This could be a table, board, list, calendar, gallery, or timeline view. The process is the same no matter which database view you're using, as long as it supports filters. Now, look towards the upper right area of your database view. You should see a series of controls, such as the layout selector, the search bar, and some view options. Among these, there's a small funnel-shaped icon, which represents filters. This is the filter funnel you'll be using. Go ahead and click on that funnel icon. When you click it, Notion opens a filter panel or a small drop-down, depending on your layout. This is where you normally add conditions like status is complete or date is on or after today. If you already have filters applied to your view, you'll see them listed here. If not, the panel might prompt you to add a filter. To effectively hide filters in Notion, what you're really doing is keeping those filters active while closing the visible filter controls so they don't clutter your workspace. After you've set your filters the way you want them, simply click anywhere outside the filter panel or click the funnel icon again. This collapses the filter menu, hiding the filter controls from view, while the filtered results remain applied to your database. You'll notice that the funnel icon usually stays highlighted or shows a small indicator, letting you know that filters are active even though the filter settings themselves are hidden. This is helpful so you don't forget that you're looking at a filtered view and wonder why some items seem to be missing. If you want to reveal the filters again at any time, just click the same funnel icon once more. The panel will reopen, showing all your existing filter conditions, ready for you to edit, add, or remove them. When you're done, close it again to re-hide the controls. A quick tip: if you use this database in a shared workspace, hiding the filter panel keeps the interface cleaner and less confusing for other people who just need to see the results, not the logic behind them. And that's all there is to it. Click the filter funnel on the right to open the filters, adjust them as needed, then click away or click the icon again to hide them.